Hello, people! It is Tuesday. Really early. No, not yet. Almost there. 1 minute na lang Tuesday na. 1 minute na lang midnight na. It's 11:59 ng umaga, Monday. And we're going to Coles. Mag-grocery shopping kami, guys. Pag Monday kasi, was Coles open today at all? Or not at all? Kapag holiday dito, close talaga ang mga shops. Merong iba open, pero they close really early. Dumating kami galing Kinamanay, hapon na, 'di ba? And close yung Coles. So ngayon kami mag-grocery shopping. Midnight na, guys. Look at this. See that? 0:00. It's midnight right now, people. So pupunta tayo ng Coles kasi kailangan ni Dan ng dadalhin niya sa work bukas, lunch niya. Nandito na sa phone ko yung lista. And wala akong masyadong kailangan para sa akin kasi that was creepy, babe. Merong naghihintay ng bus. Is there any buses around?
Well, I don't know. They're on this line.
Yeah.
I think so.
Parang wala naman siguro. Nakatayo lang si kuya dun. Parang it's a bit creepy. Anyway, yeah, wala akong masyadong bibilhin para sa akin. Actually, wala talaga para sa akin. Kasi ano naman, meron akong mga lunch na pinadala ni Manay. I need to add tea in the list. So, add ko lang yung tea. Kasi malapit na maubos yung ano namin. Yung Lipton. Ano, not Lipton. Bakit ko lagi sinasabi Lipton? Hindi siya Lipton. Twinings? Twinings na tea. Yun yung ininom namin kanina. Nanood pala kami we started watching the Lucifer, guys. Ano siya? Series siya sa Netflix. And so far, so good. We've watched 2 episodes already. And it's good. You like it?
That's good.
Yeah. Maganda siya. Yung What If din, maganda din siya. Yung What If. Yung Society na series yung hindi namin natapos kasi hindi namin siya bet. Mga nasa gitna na kami ng series. Tapos hindi namin siya nagustuhan, so we stopped watching it. But What If was good, and then now we're watching Lucifer, and it's good. Anyway, malapit na kami sa Coles, and timing. Pagdating namin dun, open na yun kasi it's now 12:02 ng madaling araw. On yung lights nila ngayon, guys. Noon kasi last natin midnight shopping, hindi naka-on yung lights. Don't forget your flybys, my love. You right?
Yeah.
Nakapambahay yung ano niya. Ako, nakaganito ako. Maraming sasakyan. Ano siguro kasi? Holiday nga kasi. So, siguro yung mga tao ngayon lang nag-shopping. Walang laman. Walang laman. Yung mga prutas. When will it expire?
13.
Okay.
What's today?
10.
Yeah, nice.
No, it's 11 now. So, 2 days na lang yan. 12 to.
They're all 13.
Yeah.
Best is 13.
That's fine.
What does that say? What date?
13.
Okay.
Yeah. Dalawang cucumber. Naka-sale siya. Pag yellow yung tag, parang naka-sale ata. 150 each. Usually, umuabot to ng $3 eh. Dalawa, babe.
Got it.
Okay. Ano pa? What else? Wala talaga. Ay, hindi kailangan ng capsicum pala kasi magsasamon lang siya. Short week to para sa amin kasi nga Tuesday na magsa-start this week kasi nga holiday ngayon or kahapon. And pupunta kami ng Perth. Sa Friday kami alis. So, 3 pang lunch lang yung kailangan niya. Anong kailangan natin ng gulay para side dish niya sa dinner. Ito yung diferensya kapag gabi ka na nag-aano. We still have carrots. Ooh, broccoli. Organic. 99 cents. Spring onions. Here, do you want?
That's on side tomorrow, babe.
Which one? For your side? What is it?
Pasta. Pasta.
Okay. Do you want Brussels sprouts or any of these for your side? Brussels sprouts. Oh, 150 naka-special. Corn? No, Brussels sprouts better. Because it's healthier.
Thank you for taking good care of me, my love.
What? Burit. Let's go. Kapag midnight shopping, walang tao dito sa Delhi, tas walang laman yung mga nila. Kaya ako hindi pinapabili ni Dan yung mga nakapack. Gusto niya dito kasi fresh daw kapag dito. See? So wala silang mga meat. Kasi mamaya pa yung umaga. Ito.
You can have some as well for dinner?
Sure.
This will be like
I'll pick one.
one dinner.
Yeah. One dinner. So, one dinner salmon. And then, so ito na yung lunch niya lahat. Dito na lang tayo mag-haul. Ito na yung lunch niya lahat. 3 smoked salmon. And then we have that for dinner. One dinner. Brussels sprout for the side. Ito, kasi ito yung side dish niya sa kanyang salmon na lunch. And then croissant. And then yan. Ano ba to? Pesto pasta. $1. Uluy, babe, it will expire. It expired.
It's pasta. It'll be fine tomorrow. Trust me.
Okay. Kabahala. Alright, let's look for beef. I'll choose. So this is for you and me.
Porterhouse and Scotch.
Look at this. Porterhouse, $5 na lang each. Scotch.
How much is that a kilo? 247. Porterhouse, yeah, that's a good deal.
Yeah? Can I have? I'll have this one. Ito yung gusto ko.
Yeah.
Choose yours.
That'll be fine.
Do you want this for just one dinner? One dinner, this one? Or do you want steak for 2 dinners?
No, I could have pork for another. Pork was good.
Pork? Okay. Gusto niya yung pork? Okay. Gusto kong itry yung panlasang Pinoy na na crispy pork belly, pero maya na kasi wala pa tayong time. At least not this week kasi medyo busy. Piliin natin yung isa malaki, isa maliit. One big one, one small one, my love. Na, tsaka. Ayaw yan, babe. Wait sa
Doesn't matter, but you don't need to eat.
Up to you. Choose one.
That looks good.
One big one. That's the same size, my love.
That's alright.
But you get the big one, I get the small one.
Just cut off what you don't want of the big. You cut that.
Okay,
that
whatever.
corner off.
Alright, so we got that. And then we got this. Yan yung kay Dan, yan yung akin. Medyo may taba-taba. Mura lang, $5 each lang yung beef.
Yeah, try that. Try it now. Good.
How much?
Will that be good for your flange?
Leche flan?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. Can you bake that? I think that's too thick. Quiche.
You can bake this.
I think that's gonna be too thick, babe. Hala, ang cute naman ito. $5 na lang. Ooh, is it a set of what? Plates?
Porcelain dinner plates for a sort of.
That's cute. May mga pangalan. Taste, gourmet, feast.
Enough to get a big container today from Coles.
I think we have enough points.
Look how big this pasta is. Oh my god. So, and I got this is also $6.
Oh, 6. Oh, yeah. Oh, we already have one. Hala, oh. Magkano to noon? $9. Actually, you know what? It's the same as, same price sa Asian shop. $9. Pero noon kasi wala silang malaking vegeta. Ngayon meron. To $6 na lang siya, oh. Organic virgin coconut oil. Ang laki naman ito. Paano yan, babe? Restaurant. Tingnan mo, babe. Set ng plato. $10 na lang from 20.
That's so cheap.
Yeah, it is cheap. Ang cute ng mga ganito, oh. Sabi, comfort food. From 12 to 6. Ito din. Tingnan nyo. Seconds, please. Ang cute.
For the oven? There's nothing to cook?
Yeah. You can put this in the oven?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want it? $6.
What do you put in there?
I don't know. What are we gonna put in there? What are we gonna cook? I don't usually... Hindi na kasi ako nagluluto sa ano.
That might be handy for something.
Yeah, it's a bit fancy as well. I think, is it the only one left?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sige. So, wait, sa look at this. For mortar and pestle. Ito, babe.
What's that?
Tingnan nyo guys, from $3 to $1.50. $1.50, babe.
That's it.
It's not it?
No.
Winter value LED tea.
That's it. That's
Tea lights. $4 pala to guys. Joke lang. Ang tea lights ito. Asa yung tea light? Ito, may mga ganito sila dito. Coles to ha? Black LED light box. From 15 to 750. Ang galing naman. Ngayon lang as in, sobrang ganda ng mga naka-sale nila. Tapos meron pa silang mga ganito, pantulog. Naka-sale din. Ito, shoes. Lahat ng aisle pinapasyalan namin guys kasi walang tao.
That's
Yan do yung gagawin niya dito. Nachos. Kailangan ko matuto pa na.
We've got cheese at home that week.
Yeah,
We've got
cheddar.
Doritos, yeah.
Ikaw, bahala
Let's
ako.
try it. I'll make it.
Sige. Gusto na daw ni Dan ng nachos. Kasi meron kami cheddar cheese sa bahay. Tapos ito yung sauce. And then what kind of chips? Not that. Not.
At home already, I reckon. I reckon we've got Doritos.
Yeah, but that's already flavored. You should get the plain one. And then get guacamole. If you're doing it, you gotta do it right.
It's guacamole.
They already have guacamole already made here. The Coles brand.
Do they?
Yeah. Kung ano lang naiisip ng taong to ay, good luck sa diet mo. Yeah, this is fine. But we have to get plain chips, not the flavored chips. This is the one that you have at home, isn't it? Itong ganito. That's already flavored. Uy, naka-sale yung baked peas. Masarap yan guys, as in. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ito. Pero masarap, oh. 2 for $5. Should I get some? I'll get some. It's a good snack. This one.
Do you deserve it?
I do deserve it, my love. Balik tayo sa butcher section, guys. Kuha tayo ng minced beef. Kasi gusto ni Dan mag-ano. Ngayon niya lang naisip na nakita niya yung ano, parang pang, anong tawag dun sa malaking plato. Malaking plato, parang tanga. Ano, gusto niya mag-nachos. So sabi ko, sige, lagyan na lang natin ng beef para totoong nachos talaga. Ito. When does it go off? 14. So we gotta freeze it. Now we gotta get guacamole. Guacamole. Avocado. Pure avocado lang yan. Guacamole. Iyan, guacamole. Magkano? $5. Mahal naman. Yun yung maliliit. Feeling ko guacamole naman to. Avocado dip. Yeah, that will do. Babe, avocado dip.
Sorry?
Avocado dip?
Yeah, I'll do.
Is that what we used to eat
Nah.
like before? No? So it does it say guacamole? Kasi wala, babe. Can you help me please? See? I remember we get like small ones like those, but those are just avocado. There's no Coles guacamole. Di ko na tuloy maalala. That's expensive. $5 for that. Do you want to try that? Let's try that.
I'll look at the right one.
Or how about this one? Because it just says avocado with sea salt. So it's just avocado.
Do you reckon that's just the same?
Wait, sir. What's in here? Real avocado, vegetable and herbs. You know what? We can just do this and I'll just add something to it.
I think it's the same.
It's the same. That one's just got herbs. Yeah. That one's got herbs, babe. Herbs and spices, my love. And it's, yeah, it has real avocado, vegetables, and herbs. Kasi yung Coles, $2 lang. Oh, I think this is the one that we get. Is it? I don't know, my love. So this is what we have, guys. Nagdagdag kami nito. Binalik namin yung salmon kasi sabi ni Dan, ito na lang yung dinner namin one night.
Two of these maybe, because I know that one's gonna be enough.
It will be enough, don't worry. Meron kaming cheese sa bahay, so I think a small one will do. Yan, guacamole. We went for the black swan.
Would you put the chips in the oven?
Ito, let's get some tortilla chips. Let's just get the plain one. Not chips.
Is that? That'll be enough or not enough?
I don't know. You don't like the mission one? That's fine. Meron kaming ganito sa bahay. Wait, asan yun? Yung taco seasoning ba? Pero hindi yan yung brand. Asan ba yung taco seasoning na binibili ko? Kalimutan ko na anong brand.
Do you need some more?
No, we don't need any more. So, isang taco seasoning, okay na siya sa 500 grams ng beef. Tapos yan lang. Ito. Taco seasoning. Yan yung ginagamit ko. Meron pa ako niyan sa bahay isa. Oh, look at this, babe. Spice mix for guacamole.
Yeah, it's cost $1.50 just for that. You might as well just...
Yeah. So, you just put that in the avocado. And it's a bit spicy as well, mild. You know, it's got the flavor already. You wanna try it or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want any of these, babe? See? Nacho salsas instead of that Doritos one? Anong meron ka? Oh, Old El Paso. Yeah, that's alright.
That'll be the same.
Yeah. What did you get?
Tuna in olive oil.
Yep.
Yum.
Gusto niya lang daw i-try.
24. 24.
Kailangan umabot kami ng 1:30, guys.
33. 34. 39. 44. 44.
How much is that?
44, 50, 55.
That's only $5.
57.
Oh no.
61. 63, 64. So 67.
That's $5, yeah.
72. 78. 81. 85. 86 bucks.
85 tapos 86, 91. That's $6. Naging kitchenware shopping na to, guys. Bili kami nito kasi yung ganito ko, plastic, tapos nag-ano na siya kapag nilagyan mo ng mainit na tubig, nag-crack na yung amin. So I've been wanting to replace it. So yan, naka 40% off kasi yung Pyrex ba yan? Pagbasa yan, merong malaki, merong maliit. Kailangan ko nung whisk nung kagaya nung kay Manay, yung pang-whisk ng ano ba, wala dito, yung pang-whisk ng ano ba yung sinasabi ko, uy, sa leche flan ba, and then kailangan ko din ng strainer. Babe, I also need a strainer but I don't think they have it here. Strainer to strain the condensed milk and evaporated milk for the leche flan. But it has to be, we have a strainer pero malaki kasi yung mga butas. It has to be the fine holes. Fine holes. Parang mga tanga. Wait, so cleaning tayo, babe. Here. Cleaning. Laundry. Tingnan natin. Para kami mga buang ni Dando. Lakad-lakad pa more. Para sa vlog. Babe, for the vlog? For the vlog. Wala akong nahanap na whisk at saka yung strainer. So, tingnan natin. Ay, ano, dryer sheet. Babe, I need dryer sheet at saka yung mga fabric softener na sachet. Ito ay
Oh, we need shower cleaner or
shower cleaner. Ah, mold. Yes, yes. Mold cleaner. Wait, babe, here. The fluffy. Ito, guys, oh. Diba?
get one for the car as well.
For the car?
Because the one that was in the car put in the laundry.
Help me smell. This is same as Manay. Smell it. You like it?
Give me the orange one. The orange is in the car.
Summer breeze. Smell.
Nah,
Yeah, that's the best one actually. How many?
just one for the car.
Just one for the car. I'll get. I want stuff for the closet.
How many?
I'm gonna just. How many do you have there? Okay,
One.
that's alright. We'll do 2. 3. And then ito yung ginagamit namin panglinis ng shower, guys. Mold killer.
Maybe this one.
Mold and soap scum remover. So, inaano namin siya sa tiles ba? Ano, sinispray. 20% off. That's a good one, my love. Timing. Yung rinse aid din, naka 40% off. Kaya lang, parang abot na kami sa 130. And meron pa naman ako. Actually, it is a really good deal. Half price. Babe, this is a really good deal, my love. Half price. I know. It's really good. Ano pa? Hala, I didn't check the dryer sheet. To put sa bags.
What did you check?
I will organize my bags. Dryer sheet. To put in the bags. So they smell good when you open it. Especially the second-hand bags. Yeah. I'll check on the other side again, my love, later. What's that? Sobrang over na tayo. Maybe not sobra, pero over na tayo. I think we're good. You think so?
Do you think so?
What do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe? Let's check if they have dryer sheet here.
What's dryer sheet?
It's like a sheet.
Did I sell it here?
I think so. It should be in the laundry area. So if you have dryer, you can put the dryer sheet to keep your clothes smell good. Good?
Yeah.
Nakita ko siya, guys. Ang mahal pala nito. 40 pieces lang, 40 sheets, $6.70. 40 lang, pero I don't know. Nah, I won't get it, my love. Oh, good. Let's go. Nagutom si Rani Boy. Kain siya ng KFC chicken. So we spent, umabot naman tayo, guys. We spent $153.21 and kailangan lang namin 130 eh. And you know what? Isang shopping na lang na umabot tayo ng 130 and we will get 10,000 extra points. And that's very doable. So we're good. And sabi ni ate, in-explain niya to sa akin pero alam ko na to eh. Kasi meron akong app sa Flybuys and sabi you will get triple points if you shop from like this day to whatever date. Anyway, let's see. You already saw majority of what we got. We got this. Medyo may kamahalan tong chips na to, but this is really good. $4. Hindi pa siya nakasave, pero okay lang. Masarap yan. Meron pa nga ako dun eh. Kinakain ko siya ng plain lang. Si Dan, kinakain siya with dip, pero masarap talaga siya kung plain lang. Ako kinakain ko siya ng plain lang eh. Ito. Sea salt na flavor. Hindi ko pa na-try yung ibang flavor kasi kapag may nagustuhan ako, nagsistick talaga ako dun. This, let's put this in the dishwasher. Yan. And then let's put the Pyrex in the dishwasher as well. Si Dan bumili ng dalawang tuna. Gusto niya daw i-try. Tuna chunks in olive oil blend. Hindi na dapat kasi ang dami nating, dami naming isda do sa freezer. We got this. Naubusan na kami ng tomato sauce. And ito, nakaano siya, 2 for $5. So, kumuha na lang din sila ng barbecue sauce. Ito, this time, yung tea natin, Lipton tea na talaga. Try namin yung chamomile herbal infusion. Yung tinatry namin ngayon, yung iniinom namin ngayon is yung green tea with mint, and that one's good. Pero nilalagyan ko pa rin siya ng honey. Hindi ko pa rin kaya na walang honey. And then we got chunky salsa. Nakita nyo na yan kanina. Para sa dinner natin na nachos. And we got a container, guys! Nag-film ba ako? Yes. We got a container. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, we ended up getting 2 kahit na hindi na naman kailangan. Kasi, how much is this one? How much? $15 each. Pang dagdag sana. Kasi akala namin hindi kami aabot. Kumuha si Dan ng 3 nito kasi gamit talaga namin siya during winter. Ito yung weed killer. So, sinispray namin siya sa mga weeds para hindi tumubo yung mga weeds. Or kahit na nakatubo na ng konti, napapatay niya yung weeds. And mahal siya, $15 each. Si Dan kumuha ng 3, pero kinuha niya yung isa kasi sobrang over na kami sa 130. Umabot na kami 150. But yeah, ito yung ginagamit namin, yung roundup. And mabilis siya maubos. And then ito, naka-half price. Tinakita ko na yan kanina. We got this as well, the mold killer. And then, ang bango ng fluffy na jasmine fresh. Siya yung pinakamabango sa lahat ng sachet dun. Lagay ko yun sa closet. And then we got the container. So, kapag nag-shopping ka ngayon, hindi maa-add automatically yung na-accumulate mo na points ngayon. Maa-add siya sa next time na nagamit mo yung flybys mo. 14 points ata to. Yes, 14 points to. And wala pa akong container na ganito. Maganda siya, malaki, oh. Ito na yung pangatlo ko na container. Yeah, ito na yung pangatlo ko na container galing Kohl's. And maganda to, guys. Maganda yung quality. And wala akong ganito na, yan. So, lagay ko yan sa dishwasher. We need to wash that. And then, last one. Yeah, snappies. Dinalawa ni Dan to. Kahit na isa lang naman sana. Dinalawa niya. I don't think we need to. And then, croissant. Brussels sprout, sides ng dinner ni Dan. So, medyo hayahay ang aking buhay this week. Well, not really. Pero, hindi ko siya lulutuan ng lunch kasi sabi niya magsasalmon lang siya. Sobrang magiging busy yung week ko kasi kailangan ko mag-edit ng sobrang daming videos. And wala akong enough time. Kasi sa Friday, alis na naman kami. So, yeah. So, sabi niya, hindi kita papalutuin ng lunch. Sorry?
I'll have the steaks tomorrow.
Steak tomorrow? Okay, gotcha. Steak tomorrow it is. That is everything, people. Yun na. Time check. Ang oras na ba? Kasi yung phone ko. Hello, sana hindi ko naiwan yung phone ko somewhere. Dito lang yan sa bulsa ko eh. Do you have my phone? Okay. Hindi natin alam. Sana naman. Danny? Do you have my phone? Okay. Isang shopping na lang and we'll get 10,000 extra points. Ay, nako. Pinababaliwan ko na yung mga points. Ang galing kaya ng mga points. Kasi yung 10,000 extra points, siguro mga ano na yan. $50 na yan. Na mariredeem mo. Na magagamit mo to shop at Kohl's. Again. And then plus additional pa sa kung anong points meron kami ngayon. Hindi naman as in kailangan gawin, but it's fun to do. Parang si Dan lang, yung kinababaliwan niya, hindi naman kinababaliwan, over naman yung term. Yung gusto niyang gawin, is yung entertainment book. And yung alam mo yun, yung nagpipil ka ng paper kasi may like 25% off ka sa specific restaurant. Hindi naman as in ganun kalaking savings yun kung iisipin mo talaga kasi it kinda takes time, like, you know, pag-check. Pero yun yung gusto niyang gawin eh. Yun naman yung hindi ko bet. Alam mo yun? So, sabi niya, parang at the end of the day, as long as masaya ka sa ginagawa mo and you're saving money, plus na lang yan. As long as masaya ka. Anyway, ano ba yung pinagsasabi ko? Lagay ko lang to sa dishwasher, guys. And then okay, this one needs to go here. I don't have to wake up early tomorrow kasi na-prepare ko na yung pang tea ni Dan. Nalagay ko na yung tea niya dyan. Hindi niya daw akong gigisingin. Pero magigising din naman ako niyan. Kasi syempre, nasa isang bed kami. Alright! Anyway, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Do you want to say good night to them? Good morning.
Good morning, people.